You don't realize that you keep worrying about the wrong things. What are you worried about? You think about your fat, you want to be slim and trim, you want your stomach to be completely flat, and you think nothing bigger can happen in your life than getting rid of it. So I say the fat you see around your stomach is actually good fat. That very thing in some way is what makes your body beautiful and is there to keep you healthy. Now you might be surprised. Can this fat really be there to keep us healthy? Yes, absolutely. But the problem arises when you start seeing certain symptoms in your body. If you feel lethargic even after eating, feel lazy, spend the whole day feeling sluggish, feel like your body is aching all day, don't feel energetic, have a headache, or are experiencing joint pain in some way or another. In other words, if you're experiencing any kind of problem like this, that's what I mean to say. If you're having trouble even doing your daily tasks, now we can say that the excess fat that has accumulated should have been reduced, and somewhere your organs are trying to detox and your intestines are not clean. Your food is not being digested properly. It's not being cleared from the intestines, which is causing the problem. I'm about to tell you simple steps that you can follow to detox your organs, keep your uterus healthy, and also clean your intestines. And as for the fat around your belly, there's no need to worry about it. It melts away on its own. If your body is detoxed and your food is being digested properly, then don't just focus on losing fat by any means. Sometimes people stop eating, sometimes they overexercise. There's no need to do all that. Just start following the simple steps I'm going to share with you today. As soon as your body gets detoxed, fat will automatically start to decrease and the fat around your belly will reduce in a healthy way. If you also want to lose weight quickly by working out with me, you can join my online class. Look, friends, you must have noticed that women's body structure is usually lighter towards the lower part. The lower area of their body, especially the pelvic region, always appears slightly protruded. Even in girls, you can see a slight bulge in that area. But when it comes to slim girls, you feel like their stomach is flat, and ours used to be like that too. But after having children, this extra fat has appeared. Now think about why nature designed it this way. Why does every woman's stomach increase in size after pregnancy? This happens because as your uterus expands and opens up to accommodate the baby inside, after you deliver the baby, the size of the uterus doesn't return to exactly how it was before. In other words, it always remains slightly enlarged. Now, nature has also created another mechanism. Around your uterus, there should be a slight layer of fat for its protection. So, after childbirth, the uterus expands a bit and can't shrink back completely. And to protect it, nature accumulates a little fat around it. This is something you especially see in women. After childbirth, the belly does increase a little, and that fat is necessary for the protection of your bladder, your uterus, and the surrounding organs. In fact, having a small amount of fat in your body is important. It keeps you looking young for a long time, prevents wrinkles and fine lines. But if you go on an extreme diet or do excessive exercise and consistently eat less, you'll start to look old before your time. Your hair also starts to fall out, so that's why you should have some fat in your body. Now, when fat does accumulate, it tends to gather around the stomach area. But if it's just a little fat, there's no need to worry. If you are able to do your daily tasks well, feel energetic, and don't feel sluggish even after eating, then you are a healthy lady. Just do some light exercise and watch your diet. Just paying attention to these two things is enough. Now, let me talk about those who feel more lethargic, have accumulated excess fat, and have become quite overweight. That's when the fat is a bit too much. So to detox your body, you need to follow these simple steps every day. So watch carefully, the fat will automatically melt away. When your body is detoxing, first you need to sit in this way and make sure to take a 5 to 10 minute walk. Then sit down and open your legs as wide as you can. If you can't open them that much, just open them as much as you can. For the first step, grab both of your big toes like this and lean forward as far as you can go. If you can only go this far, that's fine. Just a little is enough. Whatever your capacity is, try to lean just a little bit further than you normally would so that you feel a stretch here and here. So in this way, what we're doing is creating pressure on our intestines. By applying pressure to the intestines, if there is any waste stuck there, it starts to move forward. This will help clean out your stomach properly, which will start the detox process in your body. Your digestive system will also improve. You'll feel a good appetite. Your food will digest well and you won't have gas. So in this way, you need to hold this position for at least 10 seconds, breathing in and out normally. You need to lean forward slightly like this, but do not bend your waist. Keep it straight like this. Now, for the next step, you need to do at least 40 to 50 repetitions, and that is this twisting exercise like this. This exercise is very effective and you should do it in a spacious area so that your hands don't bump into anything and you can perform it properly. Do it like this, leaning forward so that you feel pressure on your stomach. There should be pressure created here. This step is so effective for detoxifying the intestines. For those who suffer from constipation, always have a bloated stomach, experience acidity, or have an excessively enlarged belly, you must do this step in this way. You can even increase the repetitions, go up to 100 or even 200 repetitions. The more you do it, the faster your fat will reduce. Just like this. This step is easy, but it's just as effective. The more you do it, the more your belly will shrink and illnesses will also go away. Next, what you have to do is in this way, hold your thumb and bend as much as your capacity allows, as much as you can go, as much as you can bend. If you can bend this much, no problem. Bending this much is fine. You don't need to force yourself or strain the first time. Just go a little bit beyond what you can do, just enough to feel a slight pressure in your body. You should feel your breath getting a little heavier as if you're putting in some effort. That's the feeling you should have. Otherwise, you can do it according to your own capacity. Gradually, your range of movement will increase, and the more you keep doing it, the better it will get. Day by day, in this way, you should at least do 10 repetitions on this side and 10 repetitions on the other side, holding for 10 seconds each time. Then on the other side, hold for 10 seconds as well. Then on the side, hold for 10 seconds here too. I'm going to show you the testing portion. In this way, you need to sit cross-legged. This is the testing portion I am showing you. It will also reduce fat very quickly and keep the uterus healthy. If women have any uterus-related issues such as heavy or scanty periods, fibroid problems, or any other issue, you should definitely do this. This twisting pose is especially for those whose stomach does not get properly cleaned. They should definitely practice it. You need to hold here for 20 seconds, take long deep breaths, and exhale. Then 20 seconds on the other side. You need to twist backward as much as you can, and then a little more than your capacity. You should feel that you've actually exercised, and if you're out of breath, that means you're doing it right. You have to hold here for 20 seconds, then switch to the other side. And you should do at least 40 to 50 repetitions. Now what you have to do is sit like this, raise your hands like this, and hold in this position. Sit to the side for 1 to 10 seconds on one side, like this. 3, 4, 6, 7, and then we have the number 8, which comes next. 9, 10. In this way, you have to do at least 50 repetitions of this exercise as well. Next, you have to place your hands behind your head, and you can either sit cross-legged like this or sit straight, and keep your hands behind your head like this. 1, 2. And after doing 10 full complete repetitions of this exercise, you can also perform it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This particular exercise will effectively target your entire stomach area, your waist region, and your back area, meticulously removing stubborn fat from all these specific parts of your body. Just try it out and see for yourself. Follow this routine diligently for 10 consecutive days, and then observe the truly remarkable results. Please do comment below and let me know whether your excess fat has significantly reduced or not. Your stomach will genuinely start getting cleaned out properly and thoroughly from the very next day you begin. You should perform at least 30 repetitions of this particular movement as well. First, do it like this. Bend gracefully to one side with your hands placed securely behind your head, and then twist powerfully to your other side like this. There should be a proper, deep, and effective twist. You absolutely must do at least 20 to 30 repetitions of this exercise. It will realistically take you at least a good half an hour to 45 minutes to fully complete all these essential steps, and you will undoubtedly see truly amazing and noticeable results in your body from the very next day. All the accumulated toxins and impurities in your body will immediately start getting flushed out and eliminated. Now, what's next is that you should lie down, and after lying down, you can place your hands behind your head. For those who have even a little trouble or pain in their lower back, they should place their hands under their hips like this. Then in this way, hold side to side for at least 20 seconds, then hold on the other side for 20 seconds like this. You will feel a lot of pressure building up on your stomach because you are balancing your legs here. You don't just have to place them anywhere. You have to lift and hold them like this. When you keep your legs to the side for 20 seconds, your abdominal muscles are used to balance them, and these muscles start generating the effort. Thermogenesis happens here, and your uterus starts getting stimulated. So whatever impurities or waste are present in the uterus, when it gets stimulated, it starts expelling those impurities. This way, the waste will be removed, and your uterus will start becoming completely healthy. Also, for women who are unable to conceive, this is the best asana for them as well. Try doing it and pay a little attention to your diet too. You'll see improvement very quickly. You won't even need to take much medicine. And another thing I want to say is, start with the basics, Anulam Vilom and Kapalbhati. You won't need to do any intense exercises, meaning you won't have to do those heavy jumping or strenuous workouts. If you want to do this, then you should do it for at least 5 minutes. Keep doing it like this and your stomach will automatically start working like a mill. In this way, you won't even need to do any grinding motion yourself. This will get your stomach working like a mill. Now let me show you what you need to do at the end. Lift your legs like this and cross them over each other like this. Let me tell you, the Srishti exercise is one of the best exercises. In the very same manner, to achieve optimal results and truly benefit from this exercise, you are strongly encouraged to perform 2 complete sets of 50 repetitions each. It is absolutely crucial to make sure you incorporate this routine into your daily schedule at least once every single day. Furthermore, if you are able to commit to doing it twice a day, I can confidently assure you that you will begin to observe noticeable and positive results in your body and overall well-being in a remarkably short period, specifically within just 5 days. Beyond the physical exercise, please remember one more critically important aspect for your holistic health. Always chew your food very thoroughly and mindfully, savoring each bite. Make sure to eat in a calm, unhurried, and relaxed manner, allowing your digestive system to function optimally. If you ever feel a sense of drowsiness or sleepiness during the day, do not hesitate to take a brief, restorative short nap to re-energize yourself. And finally, and this is paramount for your digestive comfort and health, never under any circumstances overeat or fill your stomach excessively. Always leave a little room. Whenever you feel your stomach is full, stop eating immediately. If you keep these things in mind, you won't need to follow any special diet or do heavy exercise. Just do the steps I've shown you once a day whenever you have time and your stomach is empty. Then you'll see you'll never need to take any medicine and your fat won't increase excessively. In fact, the excess fat that has accumulated will also reduce quickly and your body will be detoxified. I hope you really liked today's video and it was absolutely free. Please like and share as well. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.